Hello, Fab people all over the world. I'm Kyle. And maybe you remember me from our previous Holo invitation to the Czech Republic for FAB25. And now, the wait is over, and the big event is approaching fast. Haven't heard of the Czech Republic before? Don't worry. I've got you covered. Located in the heart of Europe, the Czech Republic is renowned for its scenic landscapes and rich cultural heritage. The conference takes place in two cities: Brno, a vibrant student city known for its welcoming atmosphere and endless leisure activities, and Prague, one of the most beautiful capitals in Europe with stunning architecture, a deep history, and a bustling cultural scene. The Czechs are a nation of makers with a long tradition of craftsmanship and unparalleled hospitality. That's right, so check your calendars for July 4th to 11th, 2025. Actually, this immense building behind me is the Janáček Theater, where all the festivities will begin. Oh, I see some of the organizational team is waiting. Stress levels look low for now, at least. So let's see what they have to say.
We are so excited to host FAB25 and make a long-lasting mark in the FAB world. We are already putting together a jam-packed program with lots of opportunities to learn something new, collaborate on exciting projects, network, and
enjoy delicious Czech cuisine. And of course, the best beer in the world.
Thanks.
But who's coming? Oh, wow, look, it's Jason.
Hello guys, in Czech Republic.
Hi, Jason.
I already got my badge, ready to come join you next year. So much looking forward to see everyone back in Europe. See you soon. Cheers.
Wir sind dabei bei der FAB25 in Tschechien.
budu tam.
Ci sono di sicuro al FAB25 in Repubblica Ceca.
Budu tam, tak ciao.
Awesome. So it looks like tons of people already have plans for next summer, a trip to the Czech Republic. And don't miss out, from now until this date, you have a chance to win a free all-access ticket to FAB25, a brand new Prusa 3D printer, and tons of other great prizes. Just visit fab2025.cz, leave us your contact information, and tell us what you're looking forward to most in the Czech Republic. Good luck.